Good morning, dear students of class 12th. Today we'll start with the first experiment, that is titration or volumetric analysis. Titration is a common method of quantitative chemical analysis that is used to determine the unknown concentration of a known reactant. As volume measurement plays a key role in titration, it is also known as volumetric analysis. Our aim for the first experiment is to prepare M by 20 standard solution of ferrous ammonium sulfate, which is also called as Mohs salt. Using this solution, find out the molarity and strength of the given potassium permanganate solution. Now see the apparatus required. This is burette stand. This is burette. This is pipette. This is conical flask. Chemicals required are KMnO4 solution. This is KMnO4. This is Mohs salt solution or ferrous ammonium sulfate solution. We also require dilute sulfuric acid. Now the first step is to rinse the burette with distilled water. As you can see, we have rinsed the burette with distilled water. Now we'll rinse the burette with KMnO4 solution. When you will fill KMnO4 solution, you will use a funnel to fill KMnO4 solution in burette. Rinse it with KMnO4 solution. This is clamp stand or burette stand. Now fill KMnO4 solution in this burette. If you see there is a zero mark in the burette, you have to fill KMnO4 solution till that mark. Set your burette with the solution. The very important part is to remove the air gap. No air gap should be there while doing titration. Now you will pipette out using the pipette. You will pipette out 20 ml of Mohs salt. Pour this 20 ml of Mohs salt solution in the conical flask. This is Mohs salt pouring through the pipette in conical flask. After this, add 1 test tube full of dilute H2SO4. After adding dilute H2SO4 to this conical flask, you will start the process of titration. When you will start the process of titration, add dropwise KMnO4 solution into the poured 20 ml Mohs salt. Add it dropwise with continuous stirring. The theory behind this practical is that potassium permanganate oxidizes ferrous ions into ferric ions in acidic medium and is itself reduced to colorless manganese ions. The equations and calculations will be provided to you in form of PDF so that you will be able to write. The indicator used in this titration is K-menophore only because it acts as self-indicator. So no other indicator is used. The endpoint is colorless to pink, as you can see. Now you can see the change in color, that solution has changed to pink color. That means it has reached endpoint. Now you have to note down the reading. As it is a colored solution, you will be reading the upper meniscus. The upper meniscus you will read. What you are getting in this case? 17.6. 17.6 is your first reading. After this, you will continue the experiment to take 2 more readings. If you are doing it accurately, you will get the first reading as higher and the next 2 same and lower to the previous one. The 2 same readings are the concordant readings, which you will going to use for calculation. Now the concordant reading we got is 17.5. This we are getting. Very light pink color. This shows the endpoint that the reaction has completed. 17.5 you will be using as the concordant reading because you are getting it 2 times. Your first reading was 17.6. Second was 17.5, third was 17.5. So the 17.5 will be your concordant reading. You will be using it for calculation. First you will calculate the molarity. After calculation of molarity, you will calculate strength using the formula molarity into molar mass. PDF will be provided to you so that you can write the experiments. Thank you, students.